Hey, what's up YouTube? My PC blew up here, and today I'm going to show you how to install a SIM card into your iPhone 10, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, or iPhone XR. They are all the same as what I'm going to show you here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your original box, open that up, and we're going to look to see if we have a SIM ejection tool. Now if we do, it's inside this little booklet right here. Just slide this out. And right here is our SIM ejection tool. If your iPhone box did not come with this SIM ejection tool, no worries. I'll show you how to fashion yourself a paperclip like this and use that later on in the video. What we want to do is locate the SIM tray on the right hand side of the iPhone, right here. Take our SIM ejection tool and place that inside the SIM tray hole and push. Then we can put a fingernail on that tray and just slide that out. When it comes to placing your SIM card into the SIM tray, you want to make sure this cut corner here matches up with the cut corner over here on the SIM tray. If you swap this around and you have the hole where we pop this SIM tray out on the left here, your cut corner is going to be right here in the bottom left. So just line up your SIM card and drop that right in to the SIM tray. So those cut corners match up. Everything should sit flush. Now we can take our SIM tray with the loaded SIM card and slide that in. Now if you don't have the SIM ejection tool, you can fashion yourself a paperclip just like this. You want to make sure that the paperclip is small enough. You don't want to snag that in the hole. You want to insert that paperclip into that hole now and apply a little bit of pressure into that hole and the tray will pop out. And that's it, pretty simple. If you're in a bind and you need something real quick, just keep in mind that it needs to be skinny enough to fit inside this SIM tray hole so that you can apply some force to push that tray out. Now if your iPhone is older, you might have to apply a little bit more force because you might have more gunk or something holding that tray back from popping out. Anyway, I hope I helped you. Thumbs up if I did, and thanks for watching.